Hi, I'm Yas Hunter and welcome to my channel. Just want to show you a quick look on what I've done today. This is my very first drift car. I've had it some years now and it really needed some paint work doing to it and redressing. So today I've resprayed it all. Just show you. Resprayed the alloys matte black. Dressed it with the stickers. Repainted the back spoiler like a orange colour, which is really cool. This is on my intro list, the car itself, but obviously now it's different, and I think I've done a really good job actually, considering. Show you, just go up. It's just my favourite drift car. Just love it. It's so cool. And there we go. I think I've done a really good job actually. The bodywork was terrible. So, and at front I put like Velcro on front and on the back. If you can see it there, yeah, you can see it. Because the bumper was getting so bashed in. Because obviously cars get really hammered. And this one's all done, just like it's come out of the showroom. So thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe, like and leave a comment. And I'll see you on my next one. Ciao for now.